How to make invoice in Zoho Books with charges. So first go to Zoho Books and then you can just click on the plus icon here at the top, then click on invoices. Now here, make sure that you fill in all of the details. So let's start filling in. So select your customer name, and then you can just change the invoice number here if you want, and then the invoice date as well. Next is, as for the item details here, so let's say I'm going to add consulting fee, and then you can just change, let's say my rate is 1,000, and then once that's done, you can also add discounts, customer notes, or terms and conditions here as well. You can also upload files, attach files to your invoice. Okay, I'm only skipping some parts since this is just an example, but make sure to fill in all of the details here. Next is, once you're done, you can just either save as draft, or you can just click on save and send. So let's just click on save and send, and then it would look like this. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.